Here's a simple beginner's guide to pair and connect your Galaxy Buds Core for the first time with literally any Android phone. First, open the case and make sure the buds are sitting inside. If it's your first time pairing, they should automatically enter pairing mode. You'll see the LED flashing green, red, and blue. If that doesn't happen, no problem. Just press and hold on both buds for about 3 to 4 seconds. That will force them into pairing mode. Now, just open Settings. From there, go to Bluetooth Settings. Depending on your Android phone, you might need to tap on Pair New Device option. You'll see the buds listed there. Tap on the name, then hit Pair. But here's the thing, additional settings for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Core are not accessible from here. For that, you need to open the Play Store and install the Galaxy Wearable app on your device. Once it's downloaded, open the app. Tap on Start, then allow the required permissions. Your Buds name will appear on the screen. You might also see a prompt to install the Buds Core Manager. If it shows up, go ahead and install it. After that, sign into your Samsung account. Log in and complete the verification. Now go back to the Wearable app. Agree to the terms and conditions and allow the remaining permissions. Once everything is set up, you're all connected. Now you'll be able to access everything on any Android device. And that's it. Enjoy your newly paired Galaxy Buds Core.